Monster walk. The monster walk will help develop the lateral compartment of your glutes and in turn stabilize your knees. You will need a looped band for this movement. Place the band around your ankles and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Imagine each foot is on a train track. Your toes are pointed straight forward, not turned out. Sit back slightly, sinking into the crease of your hips, maintaining a long, neutral spine position. You should feel the outside of your glutes light up in this position. Your weight should be centered over your feet. Staying on those train tracks, take small steps forward, about half the length of your foot, maintaining the width of the band throughout. Load the grounded foot with your weight before you step off with the other foot. Your entire foot should land and lift off at the same time. After 5 to 6 steps forward, we are going to do the same thing going backwards. Your spine should remain in a neutral position as you rock from one foot to the other, shuffling forward and back. You should feel the upper lateral portion of your glutes during this movement. Common mistakes for monster walk. Letting the feet turn out. Be mindful of the train tracks. Keep your feet straight by driving your heels out. This is the monster walk.